Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. You guys, I have so many fun things to share with you. First of all, I'm going to tell you how I got all of these things at Walmart for less than $1. Also, I've noticed a lot of new faces to the channel, so welcome. So glad you guys are here. If you're not familiar with my videos, at the very end of all of my shopping hauls, I show pictures of all of the items that I saw on clearance while I was shopping in the store. So definitely stay tuned to the end of the video to see those pictures. Also, you guys, we hit 10,000 subscribers this week, and I am just speechless. Thank you so much for your support. I've worked really hard and it feels really good. So thank you. I appreciate it. I am going to do a giveaway. I'm going to do two $50 gift cards. So I'm excited for that. But because I have more views on my Walgreens video and I want to make sure everyone gets an opportunity, I am going to do that giveaway in my Walgreens video. So check that video out on Sunday to get yourself entered. I will also tell you about a new app that I am using in this video as well. All right, so let's jump into the deals. I'm gonna start with these frozen ice creams so I can get them back in my freezer and they don't just sit here and melt. So I talked about this a couple of weeks ago. There is a rebate for the Klondike Minis or the Klondike sugar-free vanilla. Now, the rebate is a limit of 5. So when I did it a couple of weeks ago, I only submitted 2. So I went ahead and submitted 2 more so I could talk with you about it and make sure it worked again. The Klondike bars, I grabbed the sugar-free vanillas. They are $3.32 each. You want to grab 2 of them because there is a coupon over on the coupons.com website for $1 off too. So you're going to pay $5.64, but the rebate is for $3 back on each of them. So you're going to get $6 back, making both of these completely free and a 36-cent moneymaker. And I submitted my receipt last night, probably around 8 o'clock, and it already hit my Venmo account this morning. So like less than 12 hours, I believe, is how long that rebate took to hit my account this time. So of course, I will link that rebate down in the video description box for you. I just went and put them back in the freezer so they're not sitting here melting. If y'all remember last week, I believe, I talked about my freezer being full and we were trying to do dinners out of the freezer because we truly had a stuffed full freezer. Irony, my freezer went out and we had to get a new fridge freezer this week. And apparently it's really hard to find just like a low-end fridge freezer right now. Thankfully, we ordered it and it came within a couple of days. And thank you to my friend and family who let me store some stuff in their freezer, which I am gonna come pick up later today, I promise. Okay, so let's talk about some of the other deals. This one's kind of a fun one. Uses the coupons.com app. So these Colgate Kids Cavity Protection, these are only 94 cents. There is a rebate on the coupons.com app for $3 back when you buy 2. And you can scan the barcode in your coupons.com app and it will tell you if the product you're buying qualifies. And these did. So that made both of these completely free and $1.12 moneymaker. Awesome deal. Now, let's talk about some food. I think I was hungry when I was shopping this week because I got a lot of food. The Stonefire flatbreads, so these just looked really good. I don't know if it's the best price, but it's something I wanted to try. They're $2.97 regular price. There's a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making them just $1.97. And I had 2 different Ibotta rebates. One was the field goal for $3 back, and one was the midweek moneymaker for $3 back. So I did end up hitting both of those bonuses in my Walmart haul this week. The mac and cheese, so these are 88 cents and you get 10 cents back on Ibotta, making it just 78 cents. So this is where that new app comes in. I found this app called Brand Club. Now, it is only for iPhone users, so that's kind of a negative, but let me tell you about it just a little bit. I'm still getting familiar with it, so I don't know all the ins and outs, which is why I don't have a tutorial on it yet, but I am working on learning everything about it. If you grab it using my link, which I will drop down below, you're gonna get $10 when you sign up. Okay, then you can link your Walmart, Target, and or Amazon accounts, any one or all three if you want. And when you purchase certain items, you're gonna get cash back. So what I did is I got the app, I verified my email, and they only needed like my email address and my name. Very little personal information was needed at all. And then I chose to link Walmart, Amazon, and Target. When I did that, I got additional money back, and it automatically scanned my purchases and gave me money back for things I had already bought. Now, there is an option for doing surveys for different companies. And one of the companies was Kraft. So I had done a survey that was like, earn $2.75. Now, that stays what they call locked until you purchase a product. So if you purchased this product on your linked Walmart account, you would then unlock that $2.75 that you could cash out. So like I said, I'm still playing with it, but so far I've made quite a bit of money using Brand Club. So definitely check it out now, because with my link, you're gonna score $10 back in your account automatically. Okay, another deal I did using Ibotta was on the Veggie Craft Pasta. These are priced at $2.98. I got $2 back on Ibotta, making it just 98 cents. Check your store and see if you see peelies attached to these products, because some people are finding dollar peelies, which would make them completely free. I also grabbed these Thomas mini croissants. Again, not the best deal ever, but we tried these maybe a year ago when there was a couple of rebates for them, and they were really good. So I went ahead and grabbed them. They are $3.68. There was an Ibotta rebate for $1.25, making them just $2.43. And then last couple of food items I grabbed. This one, if you haven't tried these, I love these, and they're crazy convenient. The Minute Brown Rice Cups, they are $1.78. I had two different Ibotta rebates. So there was one for the Minute Rice, which was 50 cents. And then there was one for any rice product, which was 10 cents, dropping my final cost down to $1.18. And then there is a bonus for this one as well. If you buy twice, you're gonna get a 25-cent bonus on Ibotta. This one I finally found at my Walmart. This rebate has been around for a while and I could not find it at my Walmart. Finally scored, but I believe the rebate expires today. Today is what? Wednesday. So if you're gonna do this deal, run out and do it today. Double check your app and make sure it's still there. It's $1 back on any Snickers. So this is 98 cents. I got $1 back, making it free and a 2-cent moneymaker, but the limit was 5. So I scored 5 of these suckers completely free. And the kids in my carpool have already said they wanted these. What else? Okay, clearance. Okay, so check out this Revlon Glistening Purple. So it's number 11. It's called Glistening Purple. It was on clearance for $1.74. Now, the Ibotta app has a rebate for $2 back on these, making them completely free and a 26-cent moneymaker, and it was a limit of 2, so I grabbed 2 of them. Now, some people had coupons from coupons.com, which makes this an incredible moneymaker. It is a note to me and a reminder to everyone, when you see high value coupons on coupons.com, print those suckers because they may come in handy later. On that note, check the hair care aisle because there's tons of hair care products marked on clearance right now. I found this L'Oreal Everpure treatment for $2.49. I had printed a $2 coupon off of coupons.com, making this just 49 cents. I'll include pictures at the end of the video of all the other hair care stuff I found on clearance, but there was a ton at the store marked down. Lastly, if you've been watching my videos, you know I love this detergent, the Persil. My store, just one of them in my area, carries the small ones at $4.94. So if your store carries these smaller ones at $4.94, grab one. Use that $2 coupon from the January 16th save. So So you'll pay $2.94, but check your Ibotta because I had a $2 rebate on this, making it just 94 cents. So after all is said and done, and I scored the $3 field goal bonus on Ibotta, as well as the midweek moneymaker on Ibotta, it made everything less than $1, which was awesome. I haven't mentioned this, but if you are like, what are you talking about? I have no idea what Ibotta is. I do have a complete tutorial on that app. Also, if you grab it using my referral code, you'll score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to drop me a comment down below, and I hope y'all are having a wonderful week. Thanks.